How to change default search engine in Google Chrome. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you through the process in order to do so. So you can go ahead and open up your Google Chrome on your particular device. And once you open it up, you should be finding the default search engine. So you can go ahead and find the three dot at the top right corner, click on it and open up this more tab, and from here go ahead and access the settings, which is on the very last option. Find it. After you find it up, you can open up your settings, and from your settings you can go ahead to the left hand side and find the option called search engine and click on it. After you click on search engine, here you will be finding your default search engine, which is Google at the moment. Now if you'd like to change it, look out for the option called manage search engines in site reach and click on it. After you click on it, you may scroll down and here you will be finding a bunch of search engines available. You may look out for the one that you would like to add it up. So let's say I would like to add Microsoft Bench. So we can go ahead and add it up. For that, click on the three dot right beside it. Click on it. And when you do, you'll be finding option called make default. Click on it. And after you do so, you'll be finding it being default. So you can go back ahead and click on this plus icon. And you should be finding your default search engine being changed. So that's it. You may follow up this process if you'd like to do the same as well. So we hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.